Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilom ki khubor bam tegasngi. President ga Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Uma Vincent H Pala ulapin mna ba bagaseng Congress ha Meghalaya ha ga benta baning kong lala ban pinna kertong tang sau phongut shwa. Ya ga dei ga jingpin mna la pentip do President ga seng Congress Meghalaya Uma Vincent H Pala ha Congress Bhawan Shakilat Pathai khubor. Uma Vincent uyathu nagabenta ki kerteng jong ki kertong banyakun ki election MLA Arhajar Arpulai on pinna pad da ke AICC. Ya ke election assembly hajula Meghalaya ke Congress kan penyang baru henru posit henrei hakawat baningkong ha Khasi Hills district on penyang shwa arfnriungut na ki life nriu seat kat ba Hagaru Hills on penyang shwa khat saungut na arfusau seat yathu Uma Vincent H Pala President MPCC. Utai President MPCC uyathu na kanru posit ka Congress kadan prangut ki kertong kenthe ki banya ai rank sha ke election assembly Arhajar Arpulai ka mut shipo person.
Like we told you before that we have cleared 40 candidates and the rest 20 we will have a meeting after a week. Out of these 40, 36 in Khasi and Jand Hills we have cleared 26. And 24 in Garo Hills, we have cleared 14. So 10 from Garo Hills and 10 from Khasi and Janti Hills. We will have a second sitting. This is what we want. The details of the names of the constituencies, I think we'll give you on a soft copy. Sanjay will give you on a soft copy. And normally these cannot be declared by us because we only clear it, but the names will be announced from Delhi. But we want to be transparent to all of you so that we don't mind sharing you all the consensus and even the names. Out of these 40 candidates, happy to inform you and proud to inform you, 8 will be the ladies. I think none of the parties will have so many ladies. 8 out of 40 means 20% are for the ladies. And proud to say that some ladies are highly qualified and very hardworking also in the society, including Madam Devara, which is here only. And very nice this time because maybe I am an engineer, so many engineers on the fray, almost 6 engineers are contesting this time. And we have almost masters who have done, almost 8 of them have done their masters in this and PhD and doctor. But unfortunately, only one MD doctor who is with us fighting the elections. Engineers are more this time and doctors less this time. So these are the things which we have decided today. The main thing which we are looking this time is that as you are all aware that there is a big failure in the government in terms of providing enough electricity to the public. Actually, the demand is almost almost 120 crores units in a year. Oh no, sorry, the generation is only 120 crores unit in a year, whereas the demand is 180 crores. So there's a shortage of almost 600 crores unit in a year. That will cost the government very heavily, and each unit almost costing nowadays is 6 rupees.